I've been doing this vlog for 6 months now. So where do I go from here? Well, stick around. I'll see if you can help me out with that. I've been producing this vlog series for the last 6 months. And so far, all the ideas I've had have come right from my head. So let's do an analysis and see how I've done so far. We'll call it the State of the Channel report. So what I want to do is take a look at the YouTube analytics for the last 28 days. So let's take a look. The first thing you see in the top vlog is starting a drone business really a good idea. Well, that was the second vlog I did. I assumed it was a good topic, and the results pretty much show that. Over the last 28 days, I've had 739 views. Now, to date, we've got something over 2,500 views. And that's pretty incredible when you consider the fact I've only got 150 subscribers. So that's pretty good. But if we look over here, we see impressions of 9,510. What that means is that my thumbnail and description have appeared over 9,500 times on somebody's view. And of that, 5.6% of those people have clicked on it. Now, there's some funny math going on behind the scenes in YouTube, and we can't actually replicate that calculation, but they do tell us it's 5.6%. So the target is typically 10%. And so you can say I'm probably a little low right there. But if we go below that, and you remember I did 5 individual videos for FLIR, Skydio, Parrot, Teal, and Vantage Robotics. Those were the 5 DoD approved drone companies. And I didn't really expect that to be a big hitter, but if you look at their click-through rate, 10%, 9.9%, 8.7%, 9.8, and 11.3. So that's pretty good. But if you compare the two, what would I rather have? A high click-through rate or a higher number of views? Well, actually, I'd prefer the higher number of views. And because of the fact we've got 9,500 impressions on this, that means YouTube is presenting this to more and more people. So consequently, my click-through rate's probably going to go down. So I'm just not too bothered about that. But if we look further down the list, what should you know to pass the new FAA Part 107? Well, that didn't do real well, 6.1%. Surprisingly enough, too, the next two on what does it cost to start a drone business? Well, that's 6.4% and 5.8%. I would have thought that would have been much higher, and I thought the number of views would have been much higher, but both of those are pretty low. What you learn in one of our classes? Well, that didn't do well at all, right? 2.4%. How tough is Dubai on drones? 4.6. Should I be concerned about the new Part 107 changes? 5.3. So none of these numbers are really very good. Does it pay to reinvent yourself? Geofencing. That's another one I thought might be a good one. But we see only 7.4% on that. And the FBI busting a drone pilot in Tampa, I thought that might have been kind of fun, but that was done at 7.4%. And then again, FAA, 6.2%. And of course, why am I starting a drone blog? 1.4%. Not really surprised at that. You don't really care why I'm starting it. So based on those metrics, what should I do? Well, if we look at the top one, I could say I'm getting a lot of views on this top one here. Should I consider revising that? I mean, remember that was my second video. Production quality wasn't all that good. I had birds in the background, airplanes. Maybe that took away from it. I could consider that. But I think more importantly, it looks like most people want to see more videos about drones. And I can go ahead and do that. But what I would like is for more of you guys to respond. Give me some ideas on content, things I can include in future vlogs. Even if I'm not familiar with the material, let me know what you have in mind. I'll research it and I'll find a way of incorporating it into future vlogs. My goal is to give you the content you want. Plus, I want to give you content that's going to help you either grow or start your drone business. So that's my summary of how we've done so far. I'll probably do again in another 6 months and see how much better we're doing at that point in time. So let me have your input on future content. And if you're still enjoying these videos and getting something from them, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. That way I can let you know about future videos. And as always, thank you for watching.